If you're experiencing audio desync issues with your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you adjust settings and ensure a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Check your connections. Ensure that all cables are securely connected. Check the HDMI cable between your Xbox Series X and your TV or audio receiver. Loose connections can lead to audio desync. Step 2. Adjust audio settings. Navigate to the Xbox settings menu. Go to General and select Volume and Audio Output. From here, check the audio output settings and ensure they are set to the correct format for your setup, such as stereo or surround sound. Step 3. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, and then Updates. If an update is available, download and install it to fix potential bugs causing audio issues. Step 4. Test different audio formats. In the volume and audio output settings, try switching between different audio formats such as bitstream out or PCM. This can help determine if a specific format is causing the desync. Step 5. Restart your console. If the issue persists, perform a full restart of your Xbox Series X. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off, then turn it back on. This can help reset any temporary glitches affecting audio sync. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues on your Xbox Series X. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.